idea. So how can you set up Algolia to crawl your website automatically? Here are the steps. First, go to the login page. The link is in the description below. Once you're there, click the sign in with Algolia button. Next, click the name of the crawler you want to configure. Afterward, click the editor tab on the sidebar to open the crawler configuration page. The editor page is where you can configure the crawler as much as you wish. For our scenario in this video, we want the crawler to know when it should crawl our website automatically. To do so, we need to add a schedule property to the crawler. Let's do that just below the discovery pattern property. The schedule property accepts a string value that specifies how often Algolia should crawl your website. The string value uses the latter.js text expression syntax to specify the schedule time. Let's go to the latter.js website so we can discuss the syntax. The link to the website is also in the description below. Latter.js has various parsers that you can use to generate a valid schedule. For our use case, we would use the text parser. So let's go to the text parser section to see its syntax. The text parser allows you to use simple text expressions to generate a schedule. There is this useful diagram below here that really illustrates how the syntax works. So let's say you want your crawl to start at 5 p.m. every day. In that case, you will write at and the time, that is 5 p.m. So it will be at 5 p.m. Likewise, to start your crawl at 12 a.m. every day, you will write at 12 a.m. In other words, a time syntax starts with the word at followed by the specific time you want the crawl to begin. But what if you don't want it every day? Instead, you want your crawl to start at a specific time on a specific day. In that case, you would write at the time on the day. For example, to start the crawl at 5 p.m. on Wednesday. In that case, you will write at 5 p.m. on Wednesday. Likewise, to start your crawl at 12 a.m. on Sunday. In that case also, you will write at 12 a.m. on Sun. There are many more ways you can use the text parser to specify your schedule, and I encourage you to come on this page to exploit the various examples that are on it. For now though, let's go back to the Algolia editor to add a crawl schedule time of 10 p.m. every Thursday. So to schedule our crawl for 10 p.m. every Thursday, we would need to write at time on day. So in our case, we'll write at 10 p.m. on Thor. So that gives us a schedule for 10 p.m. every Thursday. And you can see that just above the schedule property here, Algolia automatically shows us the next crawl day, which in my case here, it will happen in 6 days and 22 hours, which will be on Thursday at 10 p.m. Once you've set your schedule time, go ahead to save your configuration by clicking the save button at the top right corner of the editor page. After saving, you can exit the editor page by clicking the overview button on the left hand side here. If you now scroll a bit down, you will see that Algolia has automatically scheduled the next crawl to 6 days and 22 hours, which is at 10 p.m. on Thursday. So this will happen every Thursday at 10 p.m. according to the time we've set up in the editor page. And that's it. That's how to schedule Algolia to crawl your website automatically at a time you prefer.